Hi guys, good afternoon, happy Sunday, and happy celebration to all my Muslim brothers and sisters. See, none of you don't send me location. Don't worry, Christmas is coming. Christmas is coming. If you don't want to give me ram, if you don't want to give me ram, I'll be stingy with my chicken when it comes to Christmas. So happy celebration. I wish all of you more years to celebrate this. I don't know how to pronounce the celebration, but happy celebration to everyone. And also happy celebration, happy Father's Day to all the amazing fathers, husband, brothers, yeah, brothers, father, yeah, to all of you. Happy Father's Day to all of you, and we will be alive to celebrate more of Father's Day. Okay, so to the matter on ground. So most of you will be like, oh, Chiniamo don used to give, Chiniamo is expensive, Chini does not give discounts. Okay, today is 18th of June, right? So I'm going to be having a 50% discount on my class. Yes, on my class, on school bag and lunch bag. The ones that I've done last, that's the one I did last year and I still ongoing. Still looking for time to create to do more new class, but I don't have the time. But for this particular one, people are really selling out from the class. I can tell you, a lot of people have come to my DM to testify, even though I'm the kind of person that don't really post my reviews online, but I think I'll start doing that right now. Okay, so if you have 50% of the money, but you must pay for the two classes. You can't pay for one and leave. So let's do it. This is 18, so let's do it. I said 10 days, that will be 28, and this is June. Okay, and June is 30 days, so let's do it between 18 to 30th of June. If you have 50% of the money for the class, you can enroll. So for some of you that will be asking how much is the class, the school bag for my school bag class is still 6,000 naira, and the lunch bag class is 5,000 naira. That's a total of what, 11,000 naira. So if you have I say discount now, let's say, okay, if you have 6k, okay, if you have 6,000 naira, you can pay for the two classes just for the celebration. No, because of celebration move, when I was watching the day stingy, just for the celebration mood between today 18th to 30th of June, I'll be giving discount. And for those of you that have make inquiry for my physical class, I'll also be giving discounts between this 18th and 30th of June. So you can come to my DM and ask me how much is the discount. I'm giving discounts for this period. Let's celebrate all the men. There are some women that as like there's some single mothers, there's some widows that are into this business and they've been looking for a way to enroll. I think this is an opportunity. And you can pay for somebody you think that we need this class, 6,000 naira, to learn amazing designs of school bag, amazing designs of lunch bag, and you're going to be cashing out. You're entering the season of school bag and lunch bag, so you need to enroll for this class. You need to pay. In fact, call your neighbors, anybody. You can pay for 10%. You can pay for 10%. Okay, so enroll for the class, and you will enjoy. You did all right. Cash